This home already had the essentials in place, but the spaces lacked warmth, flow, and a sense of connection. Every design decision was guided by one question: how can this home better support the way its owners live every day? In this transformation, you'll see how thoughtful design choices brought the living, dining, and kitchen areas together to create a home that feels calm, comfortable, and welcoming through a modern contemporary style with tropical touches. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. This living area already has the essential pieces in place, but without intentional layering and styling, the space feels incomplete and lacks a strong focal point. The goal is to create a warm and inviting modern contemporary living area with tropical touches through natural materials, layered lighting, and thoughtfully selected decor. Let's begin with the base finishes. Your existing floor tiles are thoughtfully retained, showcasing their warm beige tones and subtle marble-inspired veining. The flat ceiling is finished in a soft, off-white tone with recessed pin lights that provide soft, even illumination throughout the space. The walls feature a subtle, neutral finish with minimal panel detailing and vertical fluted accents, adding depth and visual height to the space. The existing L-shaped sofa is retained to anchor the layout, while mixed pillows introduce warmth, softness, and subtle contrast. In front, the coffee table serves as a practical yet sculptural focal point, styled with a vase of greenery and a chessboard to maintain a clean and curated aesthetic. Beside the sofa, the round side tables provide convenient surfaces for everyday essentials. For softness and extra seating, you can add a fabric ottoman. Beside the seating area, a modern floor lamp provides both task and ambient lighting for a cozy atmosphere. Above the sofa, botanical-inspired artworks add visual interest while reinforcing the tropical character of the space. The full-height layered curtains combine sheer and blackout fabrics, enhancing privacy while softening natural light. Overhead, the modern ring pendant light serves as a sculptural focal point while enhancing the space's contemporary appeal. Across the seating area, the custom entertainment partition combines rounded details, open shelving, cabinetry, and a rotating TV panel to define the space while maintaining an open feel. At its center, the TV is mounted on a rotating panel, allowing it to be enjoyed from both the living and dining areas. Style the shelves with curated decor accents and LED strip lighting to highlight the display and add character to the space. Moving toward the entryway, another fluted accent panel introduces continuity and helps define this transitional zone. Below, the sleek shoe storage cabinet keeps your shoes organized, while the mirror enhances natural light and is complemented curated decor accents for a warm, welcoming touch. Then, an open shelving unit transforms an unused vertical space into a functional display feature with curated decors that enhance the space's warm, tropical character. With its blend of warm wood tones, layered lighting, tropical accents, and practical storage, this modern contemporary living space with tropical touches balances sophistication and comfort for everyday living with an estimated total cost of $2,400 to $4,300. This dining area already functions well, but without intentional styling and visual definition, it feels disconnected from the rest of the home. The goal is to create a warm and welcoming dining space that feels connected to the living area while supporting everyday dining and entertaining. Let's begin with the vertical fluted panels in a soft, neutral finish, adding warmth and texture while creating a seamless connection with the living area. Along one side, the built-in upholstered bench maximizes seating without making the space feel crowded, while LED strip lighting underneath creates a subtle floating effect. At the center, the dining table gives everyone a comfortable place to share meals while adding character to the space with its clean lines and sculptural fluted base. You can keep the table styling simple with a few decorative pieces and dining essentials to make it feel more inviting. Pair it with upholstered dining chairs that bring comfort and soften the overall look. Above the bench, the overhead storage cabinets extend above the breakfast nook, and the recessed storage unit combines glass front cabinets and open shelving, giving you extra storage and display space without making the area feel too busy. You can display a few decor pieces and a small table lamp, while LED strip lighting helps draw attention to the shelves and adds a soft glow. The grid-style mirror helps brighten the space while adding a decorative touch to the fluted backdrop. Then, a framed botanical artwork behind the rotating TV panel creates an elegant backdrop when the television is turned. You can also add a few indoor plants to freshen up the space and bring in a bit of nature. Above the table, the rattan pendant light helps set the mood while bringing in a relaxed tropical feel. With comfortable seating, layered lighting, and natural touches, this dining area becomes a welcoming extension of the living space, perfect for everyday meals and meaningful gatherings, with an estimated total investment of $2,000 to $3,000. This kitchen already functions well, but limited storage and visual clutter prevent it from feeling as refined and cohesive as the rest of the home. The goal is to create a warm and functional kitchen area through smart storage, layered lighting, and carefully selected finishes. The base and upper cabinets in a soft, neutral finish maximizes storage while maintaining a clean and streamlined appearance. Open shelves can be styled with kitchen essentials to add warmth and personality without creating visual clutter. Complementing the cabinetry, the countertop, and backsplash introduce subtle texture and contrast, creating a refined yet practical workspace. The matte black sink and faucet provide a modern accent while ensuring everyday functionality. The refrigerator integrates seamlessly into the layout, balancing practicality with the overall aesthetic. LED strip lighting beneath the upper and lower cabinets and shelves brightens the work surfaces while adding a soft ambient glow. On the window, the blind provides privacy and light control while maintaining the clean lines of the space. Above, the track lighting system delivers focused illumination, enhancing both functionality and visual interest. Across the kitchen, a built-in storage unit with a compact countertop creates an additional preparation and serving area. The water dispenser integrates neatly into the design, keeping everyday necessities accessible yet organized. Extending from the storage unit, the Nook Bar offers a casual spot for morning coffee, quick meals, or conversation. The fluted detailing beneath the Nook Bar introduces texture and visually ties the feature back to the living and dining areas. Beside the Nook, recessed shelving with fluted backing provides display space for glassware and kitchenware while enhancing the layered modern contemporary aesthetic. Style these shelves selectively with bottles, glassware, and decorative kitchen pieces to keep the display curated and functional. The upholstered bar stools add comfortable seating while complementing the neutral palette of the home. Mounted above the Nook, the surface-mounted downlights provide focused illumination and help define the bar area. Beside the Nook, an abstract artwork introduces subtle contrast and becomes an elegant decorative feature. The picture light enhances the artwork while adding another layer of light. Complete the corner with an indoor plant to add softness and a natural touch. With integrated storage, layered lighting, and natural textures, this modern Japandi kitchen transforms into a functional and welcoming space designed for both everyday routines and casual gatherings, with an estimated total investment of $3,000 to $4,500. From the living room to the dining area and kitchen, each space was thoughtfully redesigned to feel connected, functional, and welcoming. The result is a home that not only looks more put together, but also better supports the needs of everyday living. Which space would you love to have in your own home? Let us know in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.